Australia 189 Skilled Independent Visa Guide for 2024. Those who go to Australia for employment without the support of an employer, government agency, or other individuals may apply for the Australia 189 Skilled Independent Visa. The best feature of this visa is that it allows you to live and work anywhere in Australia indefinitely. The Australian government plans to issue 185,000 visas in the coming year, making it an excellent gateway to permanent residency. In this video, we will examine 8 simple steps to securing the Australia 189 visa in 2024. Step 1. Examination and conditions for visa subclass 189. It's crucial to examine this visa, to know what you need for submitting an application, and to ensure that everything provided satisfies the Australian government's requirements. We advise conducting research on this visa subclass by visiting the Australian Department of Home Affairs website and following their instructions. Verify the following to see whether you satisfy the requirements. Be under 45 years of age. Have at least 65 points. Meet health standards. Have a skill that is on the list of acceptable occupations. Step 2. Determine your 189 visa point total. The Australian government uses a point system to determine if you qualify for the 189 visa. You may use it to determine your eligibility before submitting your expression of interest, EOI. A minimum of 65 points is required. However, the Australian government may demand more points in most cases based on your situation. Step 3. The 189 visa and the skills assessment. Once you've selected a profession from the list, you need to confirm that your qualifications match the position you've selected. The Department of Home Affairs requires proof that your skills meet Australian standards before accepting your application for a skilled post. They will evaluate your skills to see whether they are appropriate for the field of work you are entering. Step 4. Submit an expression of interest, EOI. After acquiring all the necessary paperwork from the Department of Home Affairs, you may use Skill Select to submit your EOI. It costs nothing to register for an account on Skill Select, which will guide you through the whole application procedure. Additionally, once your EOI has been submitted, you may edit it, which is handy when waiting on certain documents. Ensure that your EOI has all the necessary information, such as the outcomes of your English test, your points, and the result of your skill evaluation. Step 5. Wait for the reply to your EOI. If you submit an EOI when your present visa is about to expire, you will need to apply for a new visa to remain in Australia, as the EOI does not serve as a visa application. You may only apply for a bridging visa once you are invited to apply for one. The invitation procedure, which asks candidates to submit an application for a visa, is carried out in planned rounds twice a month. Step 6. Apply for the visa. To avoid having to go through another process, make sure you apply for this visa within 60 days after getting your invitation to apply. If you don't, your invitation will be deemed expired. With the URL in your invitation letter, you may submit your visa application on Skill Select. Step 7. Medical examination. Current medical exam findings from a clinic approved by the Australian immigration authorities are a prerequisite for the 189 visa application. You and any dependents must submit your results, which will then be sent directly from the medical center to the immigration department for evaluation. Step 8. Wait for your 189 visa decision. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news.